Meaning of EFIT.
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 EFIT. EFIT is a technique used by law enforcement agencies to create a visual representation of a witness's or victim's memory of a suspect's face. It involves building a composite image from various facial features, such as eyes, nose, mouth, and hair. The resulting image is intended to resemble the perpetrator as closely as possible, in an attempt to aid in identification and apprehension. EFITs have proven useful in many cases, but they are not always entirely accurate due to the subjective nature of eyewitness testimony and the limitations of the technology.